Hi, Kootenai Pirates. Today I'm going to read you Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups by Tig Bentley. Oh, hello. It's nice to meet you, Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. Did you know that? I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backward from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. What do you do when you get the hiccups? But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Did you yell it? Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Huh, we scared him that time. Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my... Oh, man, it didn't work. Arg! Will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Roar! Oh, that's scary. Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. Do you think Franklin scared the hiccups out of him? My hiccups, they're gone. Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco. Don't do it. Uh-oh. Spicy food gives him the hiccups. The end. I hope you enjoyed that book and you have a good night. Bye.